Hello and welcome to Rashmi Srivastav. Paneer nuggets is basically a paneer based snack which is either battered or breaded then deep fried in cooking oil. It is a vegetarian fast food alternative to chicken nuggets served in McDonald's. Firstly, in a mixing bowl, take 4 tablespoon maida, 5-6 crushed garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, salt as per your taste, 1 tablespoon black pepper powder. Mix well. Add the spices little more than we eat because we will not add spices in paneer. This taste faded. Add little water and make a thick paste. Consistency should be like this. Dip the paneer cube in maida batter and coat well. I have cut paneer in short. You can also cut in long. Now coat with breadcrumbs covering all sides. To make breadcrumbs, bake 2 bread slices on tawa and grind in a grinder. Similarly, I have prepared all paneer cubes. Refrigerate them for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we will deep fry them. Fry the paneer nuggets in hot oil. Fry them on medium heat, stirring occasionally till they turn golden brown. It takes 2 minutes. Paneer nuggets are ready. Serve paneer nuggets with green chutney. They are crispy from outside and soft from inside. Paneer nuggets are very delicious in eating and easy to prepare. You can serve them in party. You must try this recipe at your home and share your experience with me. Hope you like this video. Thank you. Bye.